Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So we'll be starting exercise 1.1 question number 2. As you can see, I have the textbook here. This is the one, this question number. We'll be doing all these sums. I'll be showing a few sums in this video and few sums in next video. So we start with the first one. We keep this as y, differentiating with respect to x. So first we know we have to differentiate this. Dy by dx is equal to minus sine x. In place of x there is x square plus a square, so x square plus a square d by dx x square plus a square dy by dx is equal to minus sine x square plus a square to 2x. As this one comes down, this becomes 0 as it's a constant. So your final answer will be minus sine, we'll add the 0 so you don't get confused, sine x square plus a square into 2x. Next, dy by dx, rearrange them, so we get minus into 2x into sine x square plus a square. This is the final answer. You can now write it down. So now next question is this one. I already assumed this as y. When you give the exam in the board, so I'm already starting with y. So we have to differentiate it with respect to x. Then we get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon, remember, root 2. Remember the properties to see my video. So check my videos for the properties, mainly the first part. You'll understand, or refer to your textbook for the properties. Unless you know properties, you cannot do this sum. So this will be root 2 root e 3x plus 2 plus 5 into, now you differentiate this whole thing again. So you don't need to put dy by dx every time. I'm doing directly now. You don't need to write this also. Sometimes if you don't write, but mainly during board you have to write. So now we start. Now after this we have to take the inner part. This is nothing but e raised to 3x plus 2. Okay, so we take the inner part, this becomes 0, 5 becomes 0, so only e 3x plus 2 remains. Okay, next part is that the inner part of this we differentiate, because e raised to x is nothing but e raised to x, so this will remain as it is. So this will remain 3x plus 2, only 3 will remain. So cross multiply everywhere, I mean just multiply and you'll get 3. Okay, next will be multiplying everything in this, so this will be the point. So now we know this, so this will be 3 by 2 into e raised to 3x plus 2, okay, upon this is root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. This plus is for beneath, not above. Next sum. Next, after differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to, now log of this is 1 upon tan x by 2. Okay, so now again differentiating tan x by 2. So now you will get a idea of what is 1 by tan. You know that 1 by tan is cot, so just put the value cot x by 2 into, you know, differentiation of tan theta or tan x is nothing but sec square x, so In place of x there is x by 2, so you just add x square x by 2. Again differentiating into x by 2. This will be half. Sorry, this is half. Okay, so final answer you'll be getting is, now this you can simplify it more, dy by dx. So you'll do, you know that cos x by 2 upon sine x by 2, okay, into now sec square x, you can give it as 1 upon cos square x by 2. This will be cos and this will get cut, so this and this will get cut, so this will be nothing but sin x into this into half. Now you get this idea of 2 sin x into cos x, that is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. We know it is sin 2x by 2. Use the formula, 2 sin theta into cos theta is nothing but sin 2x. So give sin 2x by 2. 1. This will be dy by dx is equal to 1 upon this, and this cut sin x. So now we know that 1 upon sin x is nothing but cosec x. This is your final answer, cosec x. You can now note it down. Next will be this sum, y is equal to root tan root x. So after differentiating, you can directly write, instead of writing differentiating, you can write this also, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root tan root x into differentiating what is inside here now, that is tan root x. Now what is tan root x? Sec square root x. Sec square root x, nothing but sec square x into differentiating of this, differentiation of root x is nothing but 1 by 2 root x. So now this is called as direct differentiation. So you can do like this also in the board. This is meant for 2 mark or 1 mark sums as per the convenient method. So here you will get the answer as sec square root x upon, this will be 2 into 2, 4 into tan root x, tan root into root x. So we took this common and multiplied it. 2 into 2 is 4. So 4, this is a square bracket. Copy it down. Now we take this fifth sum, y is equal to cot cube log of x cube. So now we know the properties. So first, differentiating with x, that is dy by dx is equal to cot cube. Remember this formula of x raised to n, this n comes down, that means nx n minus 1. So use that property here. This is 3 cot and 2 into log of x cube. Okay, so next we differentiate log x cube. Before that we must take cot. So after we got this format of x raised to n, so we differentiate this whole thing, that is minus cosec square x, that is in x we've got log x cube, so into minus cosec square log x cube. Now you know the format of log x cube. Log x is 1 by x cube. Okay, last is differentiating with x cube. I hope you all are understanding. X cube. So this x cube, it comes ahead, that becomes, just put d by dx. Okay, d by dx and x cube. So again we write this 3 cot square this. Okay, log x cube into minus cosec square log x cube into this, imagine this is x cube into, or you can also do this, that instead of using this method, you can also, like, you can directly cut it off. Okay, you understand what I'm saying? So after getting differentiated, you'll get it as 2x 3 3x square. So this 2 and this 1 gets cancelled and only x remains. So this will be 3 into 3 is 9. So taking this minus also outside here, we'll get it as 9 upon x, that is this. This is 3 into 3, this x gets cut off. So 3 into 3 is 9. 1 upon x, this is x, minus is from here. So minus cot square log of x cube. This is minus becomes plus. So as we took this minus out, so making it plus cosec square log x cube. Okay, according to the textual format, we don't keep it like this. We have to still rearrange them. Don't forget the dy by dx here. So we have to take it out first. All these different, it's all scattered manner. So keep it rearranged according to textbook. This will be the answer. Minus 9 cosec square log x cube into, this one is later, and upon x. This is your final answer. This is your answer. Hope you all understood. Now you can note it down. Starting with 6th one now. Now this question is a special question because this has the format a raised to x, and this is the formula a raised to x is equal to a raised to x into log a. So now we differentiate this by x. You can do it directly without writing, that is also okay. So this will be 5 raised to x sine 3x, cube x plus 3 into, this is a raised to x into log a. What is a? 5. So this will be again differentiating into this, and your answer should be 3 sine square x plus 0. So just remain this much, and last we are taking only sine x, that is nothing but cos x. Differentiating everything. So dy by dx is equal to 3 sine square x into cos x bracket 5 sine cube x plus 3 into log 5. This is your answer. Note it down, friends. This can be all your 2 marker questions. Next question 7. So now this next question is also a specific question which is important. So differentiating with respect to x is equal to, now remember the property of cos x, it is nothing but minus cosec, not cosec, it is cosec, and this is whole thing is x, just assume. So cosec x into cot x with a minus at cosec. So this is minus cosec x into cot x is that formula or property whichever you learnt. So I hope you remember this one. So now as you know the properties, now we start the sum. Minus cosec x that is cos x into cot. This is root x cos x. Now into differentiating of root cos x, this is nothing but 1 upon 2 what? Cos x. So then now after getting this, we have to differentiate only cos x, that is minus sin x. Remember, all the things that letters that start with C, like cot or cosec or cos, in differentiation is having a negative in its answer. And whenever in integration we've got the answer cos or cosec or cot in answer, their answer will be negative. Means the cos and cosec and cot will get the answer as its answer is starting with C. That's a trick to remember, so you don't forget. So next step is final one. We get minus and it gets multiplied in everywhere. So you can check your solutions also, no problem. You can pause the video in and write the sums or solve the sums, so it gets practice. So minus into minus is plus, so the final answer shall be only sin x into cosec root cos x, and this will be multiplied further on into cot cos x upon 2 root cos x. This is your final answer, friends. Sorry about the root, but it's x now. So now next sum will be 8, and then after the 8 sum, my next video shall contain the sums after 8. So now you know the shortcut methods which I am saying. You can do direct differentiation or you can call them u or v, but right now this format is not in u or v. We can take u and v, but now I want to do by direct method, so I'll be showing you all by direct method. This differentiating with respect to x, that we get log of this is nothing but 1 upon cos x cube minus 5 into, now we know cos x, that is minus sine of x cube minus 5, and last we know differentiating of differentiating this equation, or you can say x cube minus 5, we get 3x square. So eventually your answer should reach about like you have got this 1 upon thing, so now this will be remaining on top with a minus sign. So your answer should be of the 8th one minus sine upon cos, so sine x cube minus 5 upon cos x cube minus 5 and 3x squared. So now you know it can be simplified still, so don't forget this dy by dx, others they will cut your marks. This will be sine upon cos is nothing but tan, and as well as these two values are same, so minus tan 3x square. This is your final answer, friends. You can write it down now, but before that remember you can still rearrange it. So just put this in front because our exponential form should be in the first place. So minus 3x square tan, so this should be your final answer with the x cube. I forgot to add here minus 5. Yeah, now this is your final answer. So don't forget like this small parts. Remember after dividing it sine by cos, we know the property that sine upon cos is tan or cos upon sine is cot. So now we know sine upon cos is tan, so tan x cube minus 5 will come here. So after that this will be together, and this is your final answer, friends. Thank you friends for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Hope to see you all in the next video too. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please put it up in the comment box.